My dear students of Standard 2, so this is your lesson 8 part 2, that is Louis Pasteur. Okay, so you can open page number 108. Okay, the first one you can mark option B, and then the second one is option A, and the third one is option A. Option C. Okay, yes, and then we have fourth question. According to Pasteur, what do germs cause? What else did he find out about germs? Okay, that is the question, and the answer goes like this. Yes, germs cause illness. Okay, germs cause illness. Pasteur also found out where germs comes from, how they affect milk, and how to kill them. Okay, I'll read out the answer once again. So, germs cause illness. Okay, Pasteur also found out where germs come from, how they affect milk, and how to kill them. Okay, that's the answer for your fourth question. And then fifth one. Pasteur was a great scientist, as he told us about the germs that spoil the milk and cause illness and how to get rid of them. Okay, Pasteur was a great scientist, as he told us about the germs that spoil the milk and cause illness and how to get rid of them. Okay, and then we have think and answer. The first one is Louis Pasteur. Second one is Pasteur worked for many days in his laboratory. Okay, Pasteur worked for many days in his laboratory. That's the second one, the answer. And then third one here, the germs are present in water, earth, dust, and even in the air we breathe. Okay, so the third one answer is the germs are present in water, earth, dust, and even in the air we breathe. Okay, fourth one, we kill germs present in the milk by boiling it. Answer fourth one, we kill germs present in the milk by boiling it. Okay, yes. Lily is a flower, or lily is a kind of a flower. Okay, desk. So classroom, a desk is a part of a classroom. This is how you will write here. So you will have to pair this. Finger, hand. Toe, foot. Smell, nose. See, eyes. Word, sentence, page, book. 3 triangles, 4 squares. Loud noise, quiet silence. Wheel, car, horse, caravan. Okay, and then we have day, night, light, dark, corn, yellow, grass, green. Okay, and then we come down to the grammar check, page number 111. The first one is beautiful, second one is politely, third one is patiently, and fourth one is brightly. Okay, and then the next page we have fifth one happily, sixth one loudly, seventh one carefully, eighth one noisily. Okay, ninth one friendly, 10th one quietly. Okay, here you will have to use wherever the capital letter is being required and the punctuations, where full stop is required or where comma is required. You will rewrite the sentence by using the capital letters and full stop. So here first one, the S of Swaroop called his dog, full stop, Pluto. Okay, sorry, not full stop, that's a comma, and then Pluto. Second one, again Pluto's P is a big letter, capital letter, came running and full stop. Third sentence, again Swaroop's S opened the door, full stop. Okay, and then we have they. Fourth one, T, that is the capital, ran out together to play in the park. Okay, full stop. Then fifth one, Dev's T is capital and Swaroop's S is capital, met his friends. Okay, full stop. Arnav's A is capital and Aryan's A is capital. Okay, you will write this. And sixth one, they played cricket. T of they is in capital and then you will have a full stop there. Seventh one, Pluto. P is capital, ran in and out of the park to fetch the ball and full stop. Okay. Yes. And then there is the sentence given. You will have to write the missing sentences over there. Okay. It's a letter actually. Dear Swati, something very interesting happened yesterday at home. I came home from school. Full stop. Mummy had a glass of milk ready for me, but it was spoiled. Mummy said it was spoiled because it was not pasteurized. Not pasteurized? I asked her what that means. She said when we first boil and then cool it. Okay, so milk we boil it and then we cool it. So this process will kill the germs, that is called as pasteurization. This process was first done by Louis Pasteur. He was a very hard working scientist. Okay, he spent many days in the laboratory. At last he came to know the germs are present in water, earth, dust and even in the air. Okay, and that we breathe. And here, boil milk before we drink. Louis Pasteur was a great scientist. Okay, so that is it. You will have to write. Then we have worksheet, that is 115, that will be your homework. Okay, you will rewrite the sentence. Okay, and then here 116, page number 116. The first one is brightly, second one is slowly, third one is neatly, fourth one is nicely, fifth one is quickly, sixth one is sweetly, seventh one is bitterly, eighth one is cutely. Okay, and then again, so here there is a letter. Okay, who is writing? If I were a scientist, you will imagine yourself as a scientist and write this. Okay, so there are some hints being given to you. Use this and write it as an homework and post it to me. Thank you.